Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. In this video we will talk about the amazing inventions given by China to all of us. China is one of the world's oldest continuous civilization which has made countless contributions to the human progress. For thousands of years, Chinese inventors, scholars and artisans have shaped the way we live through groundbreaking discoveries in science, technology, medicine, and the arts. These innovations not only advanced ancient societies but also laid the foundation of modern development across the globe. 20 inventions China gave to the world. Number 1. Paper. Invented during the Han Dynasty, paper revolutionized record-keeping, education and literature. Printing, woodblock and movable type, enabled mass production of books and spread of knowledge long before the printing press in Europe. Gunpowder, originally developed for fireworks, it later transformed warfare worldwide. Compass, used for navigation, it allowed sailors to explore the world with greater accuracy. Silk, China's luxurious silk fabric drove international trade and cultural exchange through the Silk Road. Porcelain, fine ceramics known as China, became highly prized across Asia and Europe. Seismograph, ancient Chinese scientists developed a device to detect earthquakes as early as the 2nd century CE. Kites, initially used for military purposes, kites later became toys and cultural symbols. Tea production. China introduced the cultivation, processing, and cultural importance of tea. Acupuncture, a key component of traditional Chinese medicine, still widely used around the world. Iron plow improved agricultural productivity and contributed to population growth. Wheelbarrow, a practical tool that made transporting heavy loads easier for workers and farmers. Umbrella, invented to provide protection from the rain and sun, often made from silk and bamboo. Mechanical clock, early Chinese engineers built water-driven and escapement clocks to track time. Paper making process, Kailan perfected the method that led to the spread of inexpensive water materials. Rocket technology, developed first for fireworks, later adopted into early military rocket systems. Decimal system and abacus. The abacus, an early calculator, made arithmetic quicker and easier. Toilet papers, used in imperial courts, a now essential item that began as a luxury. Taoism and Confucian philosophy, profound systems of ethics and metaphysics that influence millions worldwide. Shadow puppetry and Chinese opera, artistic storytelling forms that enrich global performing arts and traditions. China's legacy of innovation has left an indelible mark on the world, from everyday objects like paper and the compass to complex philosophies and technologies. China's contribution continues to impact modern society. Understanding these gifts from ancient China not only help us appreciate the richness of global heritage but also inspires future innovation grounded in cultural wisdom.